हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं करने वाली हूँ ये पिंक शिमरी आई मेकअप लुक आप सबके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ। मैं ये मेकअप लुक अपने बर्थडे पे क्रिएट करने वाली थी, बट मैंने नहीं किया क्योंकि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था। मैंने नहीं किया। तो मैं सोची कि क्यों ना आप सबके साथ ये शेयर कर दूँ, क्योंकि आप लोगों में से बहुत लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया था। गाइज़, अगर आपको ये लुक पसंद आ रही है तो पूरा वीडियो ज़रूर देखना एंड लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट करना मत भूलना। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। The first step I'm doing is filling my eyebrows with Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. It's very important to fill your eyebrows because your eyebrows enhance your makeup. As you can see how nicely I'm filling all the gaps, so you have to do the same. Then I am combing my eyebrows with a spoolie brush. Now I will use Maybelline Nuvo Concealer in the shade 40 Caramel to give a nice shape to my eyebrows. And yes guys, all the makeup products I am using today on this video are from Nykaa, so you can get them easily on Nykaa. एंड गाइज़, ये आई मेकअप मैंने किसी से भी इंस्पिरेशन लेकर नहीं किया, ये पूरी मेरी थिंकिंग थी। And guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel. इससे मुझे खुशी होगी ताकि मैं आगे और वीडियो बना सकूँ आप सबके लिए। And also press the bell icon so that you can get further notification. I am applying the same concealer all over my eyes. It will act as eyeshadow primer. With the help of a beauty blender, I will apply the concealer all over my eyes. I prefer beauty blender more than makeup brushes because it makes the application process very smooth. Now I am setting my eyes with the help of Color Essence face powder. The eyeshadow palette I am using is Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette in the shade Velvet Rose. I am applying a light brown shade all over my crease line. The only trick to make your eyeshadow look perfect is blending. You need to blend your eyeshadow until it's totally smooth. Now I am taking a light pink shade from Nicka K9 eyeshadow palette. I am blending this pink color just above my crease line. Now I am taking a purplish shade from the same palette and applying it on the outer V of my eyes. As you can see, I am applying it on the outer corner of my eyes, but I am dragging it to the inner corners. Now I will draw a cut crease with the help of the same concealer on my eyes. I am taking a dark pink shimmery shade to apply it on my cut crease. The best way to apply a shimmery shade on your eye is to apply it with your fingers rather than using a brush, because it will help to make the color more bright. So I am doing the same thing on my other eye. I am using PAC 274 brush and applying the purplish shade on my outer corners of the eye to enhance the outer corner. Now I am using Swiss Beauty glitter eyeshadow in the shade 04 Smoky Storm to outline my cut crease. You have to be very precise while outlining the cut crease, otherwise it will not look good. I am taking a black shade from the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and applying it just only on the outer V of my eyes. I am using Lakme liquid eyeliner to draw a winged eyeliner. I always prefer a winged eyeliner rather than any other designs. I am using L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. I am applying the same concealer under my eyes, on my chin and on the sides of my mouth, and blending it very nicely. I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330 and I will blend it very nicely all over my face. So I am contouring my face with K Beauty contour stick in the shade Cocoa Focus. I usually don't contour my face. I don't know why guys, but I don't like contouring that much. But today I am doing it. I am using Wet n Wild P50 contour brush to contour my face. I am contouring on the sides of my cheek and my jawline and forehead. So I'm setting my contour with Nykaa Contour and Highlight Duo Palette. I am also applying it on the sides of my nose to contour my nose a little bit. Now again I am applying the same concealer on my under eyes, on the forehead, on the bridge of my nose and chin, and I will blend it properly. It will work as a highlighting shade. I am also applying it on my cheeks to give a shape to my contour. Then I will set this with the face powder. Now I am taking a plum kajal and applying it under my eye, but I will apply it only on the half of my eyes. So again I am taking the light pink shade from Nicka K9 palette and applying it under my waterline. Now I am applying Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara under my eyes. I have taken Sugar Cosmetics blush in the shade 03 Mauve Marble and I am applying it with the help of a Wet n Wild P70 brush. I apply blush on my cheeks and on my nose as well. I am taking a highlighting shade from the same Nykaa Contour and Highlighting Duo palette and I am applying it on my eyebrow bone, bridge of my nose, forehead, on my cheeks and cupid bow and chin. I am applying the highlighter with the help of my finger because I don't like highlighters that much, so I don't want that striking glow on my face. So to make the glow minimum, I am applying it with the help of my fingers. And yes, I am also applying the highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes with the help of a small brush. Now I am applying Miss Clear lip liner in the shade Bobbi Brown L18 and lining my lips. Now I will apply a pink shade from Blue Heaven on my lips. At last, I will apply PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer on my face to set my face, which I have forgotten to show you on the video. It is a very important step because it will make your makeup impact for a long time. सो गाइज़, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा ज़रूर बताना, और अगर आप ये मेकअप लुक क्रिएट करते हो तो मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बोलना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। बाय गाइज़।